I'm proud to introduce you to Minar Media Systems, where innovation, creativity, and technology come together to redefine media experiences. At Minar, we're not just another service provider, we're your broadcast and audiovisual partner, dedicated to bringing your vision to life. From live streaming and corporate events to full-scale broadcast installations, our team ensures every moment is captured with precision, clarity, and impact. Our solutions are reliable, scalable, and future-ready, built to grow with your needs, and designed to perform in the most demanding environments. Whether it's a dynamic studio set up with a fully equipped OB van or a completely AV integration, we tailor every project to match your creative and technical goals. Across the UAE and Saudi Arabia, organizations trust Minar Media Systems for our professionalism, technical expertise, and creative excellence. Our core areas of expertise include broadcast, studio and podcast system, outside broadcast vans, AV integrations, cinema, and production system. Each solution is designed with one purpose: to deliver an experience that inspires communication and connection. Because at Minar Media Systems, we believe technology is not just about hardware, it's about storytelling, creativity, and connection. If you're ready to elevate your media presence, we're here to make it happen. At Minar Media Systems, we don't just deliver technology, we deliver experiences that move people.